The AI Ching Master AI software just dropped, and if you're wondering whether it's the right fit for you, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're new to AI or already familiar with how these tools work, stick with me because I'm about to show you why this new release might just be a game changer for your decision-making and forecasting needs. Before we dive into the details, make sure to grab your free trial of the AI Ching Master through the first link in the description. You can try it completely free, no strings attached, so stick around and check it out for yourself. Now, let's get into what makes this software stand out and what you should expect. The AI Ching Master AI is based on the ancient I Ching divination system, but it takes it a step further by using cutting-edge AI to give you personalized insights, predictions, and guidance. Instead of just pulling from static historical data, this AI adapts and learns, improving its accuracy the more you use it. The first thing you should know is that it's designed to be intuitive for both beginners and experts. You don't need to be familiar with I Ching or even understand its ancient origins to use the software. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, making it easy to input your questions or situations and get responses quickly. You're essentially accessing personalized advice with a level of depth that feels almost tailored to you. The second thing to keep in mind is the software's predictive abilities. Unlike traditional I Ching readings, this AI tool offers real-time forecasting. You can ask questions ranging from business decisions to personal matters, and it will provide you with detailed insights that help guide your next steps. For entrepreneurs or anyone needing clarity in uncertain times, this is one of its most compelling features. Next, you'll be impressed by the accuracy and flexibility of the AI itself. It's constantly learning from the input you provide, which means that over time the advice gets more refined. As you continue using it, the AI adapts to your preferences, your needs, and your questions. This self-improvement is what sets it apart from many other static AI tools out there. One thing I noticed is how well it can integrate with other decision-making processes. It doesn't just give you one-off advice, it's designed to assist you across various areas of your life. If you're using it for business decisions, it will provide insights that you can correlate with data you're already tracking, making it a powerful tool for strategic planning. And if you're using it for personal matters, the AI brings a unique perspective that can provide clarity when you need it most. Another major strength is its accessibility. The AI Ching Master is available across multiple platforms, meaning you can use it on your desktop, tablet, or mobile device. This gives you the flexibility to consult the AI on the go, whether you're on the move or need it for a quick decision while you're out. One thing that stands out compared to other similar tools is its ability to track your progress. The AI stores your past questions and responses, allowing you to look back at previous advice. This is perfect for seeing how your situation has evolved, or if you want to refer back to older readings to spot patterns or shifts in predictions. It's almost like building a personalized knowledge base that grows with you. Lastly, the AI Ching Master is perfect for people who appreciate a blend of tradition and technology. The software respects the ancient wisdom of the I Ching, while at the same time making it accessible, understandable, and practical for today's fast-paced world. Whether you're exploring it out of curiosity or using it for concrete decision-making, it gives you access to an ancient tool in a completely new and innovative format. To wrap up, the AI Ching Master is a fantastic blend of the old and new, offering accurate, actionable insights that can help guide your decisions, whether in your business or personal life. If you're intrigued by how AI can bring ancient practices into the modern world, definitely give this tool a try. Remember, I've linked some of my top recommended AI software in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I'm confident these are the best, and you can try them all for free. Check them out and let me know what you think.